Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide photos on your phone so people cannot see your photos on your photo album. For example, this is on the iPhone. If for example you want to hide this photo, just tap on it, tap and hold, and there's a hide button right here. Just tap on that and then hide. So that means this photo will be hidden but can be found in a hidden album. I'll show you how to find this hidden photo and get it back and view it. And so hit hide. It's gonna be in the hidden photo album, so it's gonna be gone from here, this album. So if you want to select multiple photos, for example, to hide, you want to tap the top select right here, top select, and then you want to tap on the photos, any photos that you want to hide, for example these ones. And then you want to tap the three dots at the bottom right here. Just tap on that. It's going to show an option when you tap to hide this. So tap on hide and it's going to ask you to confirm hide these 4 photos. There will be, you can choose to show or hide a hidden album in settings and then hide. So this photo will disappear here. I'm going to show you how to view the hidden photos back. So for example, you are here in the album, you want to tap on the top, so make sure you're on the album at the bottom, and you just scroll down, and then you're gonna see at the bottom hidden. Let me show you, you need to authenticate in order to show. So this is a Face ID. So these were the photos that were hidden. You can select them back right here, select, and then unhide them. So just tap the 3 button right here and hide them, and it's gonna go back in that photo album where it was originally in. And also you can hide this photo album at the bottom if you don't want people to see. Just go right here, settings, let's go down. So just go down until you see camera and photos right here. So just tap on that, and you're gonna see in this option show hidden album. So the hidden album will appear in the albums tab. So if you don't want to show that, just tap that, and so you're not gonna have the hidden album just like before right here. Just go down, and so the hidden album just disappeared. So this is another protection where you can hide the hidden album, but then you're not gonna know where your photos are. So just remember to put it back, the hidden album, and so you can retrieve those hidden photos. So if you find this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you guys for watching.